taking care of
Hold
him.
on one second. Hold on one second, man.
So me and the man went out to dinner. I get back, they all, you're not supposed to leave your baby here, this and this and this. I'm like, see, oh, he got some noodles. He got a couple of Capri Suns. I cracked the window, the fan was on, so he was good. They say I'm unfit, I
Hold on
I
one second.
fight a couple people, bust a few windows, plant some tires, and they think that I can't.
Ma'am, you cannot be serious right now.
Well,
Are you really serious right now? Number one, you're talking about, well, first of all, let me say this. How hot is it outside right now?
Now this is the moment where everything changes. She admits she left her 6-year-old child alone in 105-degree heat with just a fan, noodles, and Capri Suns. That is not babysitting. That is dangerous. The judge is shocked, and honestly, who wouldn't be? A cracked window and a fan do not protect a child from extreme heat. This is no longer about dating. This is about safety.
105.
Hold on. I'm asking her. Because you're already at 105, because you're already talking, you heated up, and I understand.
I'm sorry, I'm
It's hot. How hot is it outside? Right?
Well, that day it was, because we went at night.
I didn't ask whether you went at night or anything, because it's still hot at night as well, too.
80, 90, it's cool. But he had a fan.
And you got a fan. You gave the child a fan in the car.
I cracked the window.
You cracked it. So what is this child, a dog?
No. Caleb, he's a human.
But it's hot outside, and you're going to give the child a fan. And then what else?
Capri Sun.
And a Capri Sun.
Two.
Now, let me ask you something. Would you want a hot car or a hot environment and somebody give you a Capri Sun?
No, I was at Paris.
The judge asks a powerful question. What is this child, a dog? That line hits hard. Because children are not pets, they need real care and supervision. Leaving a child alone in hot weather can become a serious legal issue. The judge is not joking anymore. He is measuring responsibility. And right now, her answers are not helping her case at all.
You know what? Sometimes you just don't have the words to say. And I guess this is one of those times where, Lord have mercy, I do not have the words to say. Now, this lady right here, what'd you say your first name was?
Kelly with a capital K.
Miss Kelly with a capital K.
The best project
Okay,
manager.
I didn't ask if you was the best or the worst, because you have no proof to tell me if you did right or wrong coming to those project managers or whatever you say. You don't have to build the words up to me. Okay. But if you don't want to be done that way, what do you think that it's okay to a child sit like that and treat him like that?
For 2 hours.
It doesn't matter, but I said, would you want that done?
Now, the court shifts to money. She earns $65,000 a year working in insurance. That is steady income. But if she makes that much, why has she not been financially supporting her child? In custody cases, judges look at both care and contribution. It is not enough to say, I love my child. You must show it through action and support.
No. But sometimes we gotta go through stuff to get to the bigger picture, and I was working on this.
It looked like you got to the bigger picture with Paris.
I did, and that's when you know the baby's gonna come with me.
Yeah, I see. Okay.
Setting them up.
All right.
Yeah.
Miss Rowe, how much do you make how much you make a year?
I make 65.
65,000 a year. Doing what again?
I work for insurance.
Insurance. And insurance, yeah, just call
But I'm
somebody
trying to
else.
beg about it.
The cousin says the mother only shows up during tax season to claim the child. That is a serious accusation. Filing taxes with dependents you do not fully support can create legal problems. The judge is starting to see a pattern. Money is being earned, but not shared for the child's needs. That does not sit well in family court.
All right, so before I do anything else, quick question, because I almost forgot. So who pays the health insurance for this child?
I do.
Both of y'all can't say that at the same time. So
I pay. It comes out of my check, $350.
I love my baby.
if all you've been talking about is pork chops.
Your Honor,
I can tell you probably been eating a lot of pork chops. Yes, ma'am. Can you do what?
She says she loves her baby.
Yeah.
The only time she comes around is December the 31st to get his social so she can file him on the because she's trying to get a come up. A come up. She lies, Judge. She puts 8 dependents. She got 1 kid.
And so you're paying they're paying you obviously $65,000 for your income. Are you paying your cousin anything for keeping this child and taking care of this child.
Now we learn the child has been living with a cousin for a year and a half. That is a long time. Stability matters to courts. If a child has been in one home for over a year, judges often hesitate to suddenly change custody. Routine, school, and safety are important. The mother says she wants him back, but why wait this long?
What I'm paying for?
She barely get the food stamps. She gets the food
Okay,
stamps.
I see where this is going.
I want my baby back.
Okay, yeah, there's everything. You think the world just revolves around you, because I cannot believe what I'm hearing right now. So this is what we're going to do. And it's obviously that, yeah, you are going to be paying something. I mean, you make $65,000 a year.
Barely.
Okay, so how long have you had the child? What's his name? Caleb.
Caleb, correct. Caleb has been with us about a year and a half.
A year and a half.
Yes, because thank God they did a welfare check.
And you haven't received anything for a year and a half.
Absolutely not.
The judge makes it clear. You cannot just drop your child off and expect someone else to raise them for free. Parenting is not temporary. It is a full-time responsibility. The emotional arguments are over. Now the math begins. And math in family court is serious business.
But sorry, excuses.
I don't know. It's not here to insult. I'm just asking questions. A year and a half, you haven't received anything.
Barely.
Okay. Obviously, this child is going to need to be taken care of, because, you know, everything in life is just ain't free. You just can't drop your child off and let somebody else take care of it.
I drop him off.
She's taking care of your child.
I want him back.
She's taking care of. Okay, so how come you just now coming to court and saying that you just want him back? What happened to the past year?
I've been saying I want him back. She keep dragging me through the mud.
Dragging you through.
Oh, I'm unfit. I'm very fit. I go to
Ma'am,
the train
I'm just going to say this. But you're talking about caviar and stuff like that. Obviously, you have other reasons. So this is what we're going to do. So
Here come the numbers. Based on her income, the judge calculates child support. Courts use percentages of net income to make decisions. It is not random. It is structured and legal. 20% of her net income plus insurance costs means she must contribute monthly. The judge is sending a message. Responsibility has a price.
Are you?
Ladies, hold on, ladies, hold on. Because we're not going to go there. Y'all sound like my family during Christmas time. So, Miss Ro Campbell.
Yes.
You see, you make $65,000 a year. Okay. Paying by your cousin $350. Your gross is $5,417, and 20% of that, which your net is $4,401.57. Your high rim, 100 plus. We're gonna add that $163 to it. So
the final decision is clear. She will pay $1,043 every month. Nothing more, nothing less. That is the court's order. The judge also reminds her, if she truly wanted her child back, she should have acted sooner. Courts reward responsibility, not excuses.
Basically, you got to pay something. You can't just let your cousin take care of all the business while you're thinking all high and mighty with pork chops and caviar. Hold on, wait a minute. Hold on, before we get to that, let me go ahead and get this before I forget about it. So, yes, you're going to pay. Okay? And the thing is, you're going to pay $1,043 flat. Nothing more, nothing less. But you need to be at home with if you wanted your child back so bad, it shouldn't have taken this long. Okay? You shouldn't be out there with the man eating pork chops and caviar while she's up there taking care of your child and not getting a dime.
No.
Am I mistaken about that? Have you?
Coins,
Right.
or copper.
So before you have anything else to say, that is my decision. This case is over with. This is adjourned. You have my answer. All right, ladies, you may be excused.
This case was about heat, responsibility, and hard truth. A mother left her child alone in extreme weather and failed to provide support for over a year. The judge focused on safety and stability. The child remains where he has been cared for, and the mother must now pay monthly support. In family court, love is proven by action. If you found this case shocking, hit the like button, share your thoughts below, and subscribe for more powerful courtroom breakdowns.